Greetings to everyone. On this short video, I would like to open a hand of appreciation and a support on my small YouTube account, and would like to humbly make a further plea for those who will be seeing it to go into my major account and make sure you are going to listen to what I will be saying, because now I am going to try to analyze major information or burning issues that Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi dealt with since he has wrapped up his testimony at ad hoc committee in regard to the 6th July meeting that he had. Please go around, and if you see there's possible some matters that are not added, please add them. And also, if you see some matters of which you think are a blue light or a red light, please say so that we can be able to move ahead from informed position. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my account at Ramasene. Thank you.